Hi guys, a brilliant sunny afternoon. I think it's about June the 5th or something, no, July the 5th I think, 4th or 5th, thereabouts. Going to try the Works glider with the radio controlled ailerons or elevons, whatever. Nearly managed a complete circuit. See the time, it's too bright. $15:59. Oh gosh, I usually have to be back at my picking up my wife at 4 o'clock. I better get going.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.